Got a 16-year-old Scotch whiskey today. Can't wait to get into this one. Hey, welcome back, Whiskey Questers, to another episode of Whiskey Quests. For everybody that's new to the channel, my name's Antonio. Everybody coming back, welcome back. Oh yeah. Got a nice sample here that was given to me by my man Fredrick from a Dram Divided. These guys just recently surpassed 100 subscribers. Again, Fredrick used to have an old channel which he decided to cancel and do one with his buddy Ammo. And to be honest, it's I think it's working out for him, and the more exposure they get, that channel's gonna blow up.
You can treat yourself. Cheers.
Give him a sub, help him reach a lot more milestones. All right, so let's get back to the Scotch right here. Springbank Local Barley. It's a 16-year-old Scotch, and coming from the Campbelltown region out in Scotland, bottled at 54.3% ABV. Yeah, just how I like it. High proof. So, like I said on some of my other videos, whenever I'm doing a sample that is given to me, I'm gonna try it first, see what I think, and then look up the information afterwards. So let's see how this one goes. All right, Fredrick, Ammo, cheers guys. Congratulations on your 100+ subs on the note. Yeah, nice sea salt going on. Getting nice vanilla, raspberry, brown pears this time. Little tiny hints of peat, but I think that sea salt is what's more prominent on this one here. Caramel, not much oakiness going on, so for 16 years I was expecting a little bit more in the glass, at least not on the nose. Let's see what the palate unfolds. Raisins, maybe prunes. Again, this is just a sample, my first impressions, but that's what I'm getting. All right, cheers everybody. Let's move on to the palate. Can't wait for this one. Wow. Woo!
Fuck, it's good.
Yeah, nice and spicy all throughout. Nice and hot. Yeah, that's spiciness. This is chili pepper kind of spice to me. Wow, it even made my ears tingle. When this guy, this is the guy that introduced me to Springbank, and he's giving me some really good ones that I've been going out trying to find them, but I haven't been able to find a Springbank in my area. Man, but I'm glad I'm getting to taste these right here. Besides that spiciness, man, it's still going on. Nice warm hug. But besides that spiciness, I did get a little bit more of peat flavor while all that was going on. Chocolate, nice oily mouthfeel, briny. One more sip. Oh, the legs on these are just stick to the glass. But yeah, chocolatey. A lot of coffee notes going on, like a dark roast kind of coffee. Man, it's just so briny on the palate. That peat, you tend to forget about the peat because that brine just shines in this glass. The vanilla, just like a, it's in between a cherry and a raspberry kind of flavor. But I'm digging this right here. Yeah, this one, especially the spiciness. The spiciness is what hit home run for me right here. Wow. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this while I do a little bit of that research, and I'm gonna save a little bit for later. All right, so let's take out good old phone here, and I'm gonna do a screen record so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So I'm just gonna look up Springbank Local Barley, 16-year-old, see what we get. All right. Springbank Local Barley 16 year. Let's see what the price is. I'm thinking without even looking, $250. So looks like if this is the one, whoa, you guys see that right there? $1,434. I was way off. If that's the one, then that's the price that it's going for. At least on this website here. Man, that is crazy. Well, here's another one, $715, $7. So these prices are all over the place. Here's another one. Oh, this is a review from the Whiskey Wash. What do they say on here? Oh, here we go. This might be it. Oh, so 165 looks like was the original price. So if you were able to get this for 165, which I think maybe Fredrick was able to get a good deal on this, because he's on his videos, he talks about how he got on this at the right time. So it's all about being at the right place at the right time and get them good prices. So let's see if I can find something else here. I need to see a little bit more information. The whiskey jug. All right, Springbank Local Barley 16 years info on the whiskeyjug.com. So it's a single malt, 100% malted barley. Oh, it's just ex-bourbon. So 54.3% ABV, which means that is for them is cask strength, non-chill filtered, and natural color. Yeah, just like Springbank likes to do. So what did he get on the nose? Fruit, malt, cocoa, marzipan, nutmeg, heavy spice, vanilla, apricot. Yeah, I could see apricot. Yeah, a touch of oak and earth. I guess that would be like the peaty side, the earthiness. Let's see. The palate, he got orchard fruits, caramel, taffy, cocoa, malt, spice, earthy, mineral water, and a touch of smoke. I mean, it's all subjective. Everybody picks up different things, but typically you get similar things like the caramel, taffy, vanilla, the maltiness, the earthiness, which is the peat. All right, so let's give this a taste with a little bit of water added to it. See what happens. 54.3% ABV. It should hold up nicely. That spiciness is still there, but it got toned down. Mint coming through this time. The chocolate, the caramel, the vanilla, the fruitiness. Like I think I'm getting more of the pear notes that I was getting earlier in the nose now with water than I was before. Still briny, oily, nice, super long finish with and without water. Guys, Springbank is an awesome distillery. It just sucks I can't seem to find these bottles, but my search continues, and now I know that Springbank will not disappoint. So whenever I see one, I will be sure to snag one up, especially if I find it in an awesome deal that you can't resist, right? So there you guys have it. This is Springbank Local Barley 16-year-old Scotch whiskey. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to visit a Dram Divided, give them a sub as well. Give me a subs here too, so we can all reach our milestones. Share and like these videos, it all helps. So with this, I say thank you for being here. Cheers everybody. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.